Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on Hedera. Wanted to do a full update. We got some very bearish pressure over the course of the last 24 hours, especially yesterday. Kind of into thin liquidity. Like a lot of altcoins were sold off a lot, including Hbar, and we gave up a pretty important level. Which I thought would hold a little bit longer. I mean, I covered Hedera on Friday as well. And the level we're talking about here is that level between 22 cents and 22.5 cents, big POC. There's a lot of volume transacted there, but it's also technically, as you can see right here, respected very often. And it's a psychological level, so that was the main level to hold. We broke down below that with the bearish pressure over the course of yesterday. As you can see, initially on Saturday, we actually still held it, but then, like I said, big sell-off. So now the question is well, how much does that breakdown matter? And is Hedera now turning bearish, or can we actually get some stability? Can we actually get some sort of a range? And that is what I wanted to spend this time in this video on talking. So that's what we'll do. All right. Hope you had a good weekend, by the way. But no, I mean, the situation for Hedera right now, it's actually pretty decent. I mean, obviously, I would have liked to see that 22.5 cents level hold for a bit longer, so we could potentially get some sort of a range up here, which would have been better than a extended range. But that is kind of the scenario we're going for, all right? Because ultimately, we have a very strong support level right here around 20 cents, big psychological support level, but that's also an older Fibonacci level, as you can see right here, a pretty strong one. So we have a very strong support level. So what Hedera kind of should do right here, or what we need to see, is that we get some sort of a consolidation here between our main support level at 20 cents, which has also held throughout the bearish pressure of yesterday, and then between this main resistance level at 26 cents. That's what we want to see. But to see that, we actually do need to get some sort of a favorable reaction from this level at 22.5 cents, because ultimately we would need to break above that level to actually confirm that that consolidation. Otherwise, we're going to consolidate lower. We're going to consolidate between 22.5 and 20 cents, and that would be bearish, all right? Because then you get a bearish structure shift where you were first consolidating here and then all of a sudden between here. So the big question is Hbar, is Hedera strong enough to get that bullish breakout? And that's the hardest question to answer, all right? Especially in the markets right now. The new week has just opened. Bitcoin has shown some bullish pressure, as you can see right here earlier this morning, 15 minutes ago, but it's struggling to actually break out. So I am going to make this depend for Hedera. Because the correlation for Hedera and Bitcoin is still very high, and you can also see that there's not a lot of leverage in Hbar right now. I'm going to make it depend on Bitcoin. I think the only way Hbar can actually solidify some sort of a consolidation up here and actually get a bullish move into 25 cents again is if Bitcoin is going to be able to break above 84,000. All right, so that is, I think, the main level to watch if you actually want to know whether Hedera is going to break out or not. And by the way, and you can see this right here as well, the correlation between Hbar and Bitcoin is just quite high. It's about 70%. It's 0.7. That's not as high as some of the other coins, but that is still quite high. All right, so therefore it just depends too much on that. Hbar itself, the volume has increased, but the volume increase compared to the market volume increase is not that high. So that also is an indication that there's no specific momentum for Hedera. So therefore, at this point of time, as long as Bitcoin hasn't gotten that bullish reclaim yet, I would actually say it's more likely that we'll see some more bullish momentum, but that we will reject and that we will find stability on top of 20 cents, but that there is a risk to actually drop down lower towards that last support level at 17.5 cents. Those are my thoughts for now. I will keep you updated on this. If things change, then, well, you know what to look for, first of all. But I'll keep you updated on that as well. So that's it for now. So thank you for watching. Take care. I'll see you all in my next videos, and bye.